Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and her friends. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. Peppa Pig. Amazing! Pedro Pony. I love my pen. Freddy Volpe. Suzy Pecora. Awesome! Great job! Candy Gatto. I love my pen. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Peppa Pig. Amazing! Pedro Pony. Freddy Volpe. I love my pen. Suzy Pecora. Zoe Zebra. Candy Gatto. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Light blue. purple. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.